middle of the lesson, so let's jump right in. We just reviewed the definition of like a musical elements of a composition, such as the rhythm meter and bar lines. So could you now write down your favorite meter on the piece of paper, and also how many bars you want to do for your composition? Like no more than 8.
Wait, what? So write down a meter?
Yeah, your favorite meter. Like time signature. Because pretend we just reviewed that.
And write down 6 measures? Wait, I don't have staff paper.
These on the left side.
Okay. Yeah. And also, like, how many bars you want to do for your composition? No more than 8.
So write down the bars?
Just write down a number.
Just a number?
Right now. Have we all finished that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. So right now we're going to learn the definition of a contour. So anyone know what is a contour for a melody or a piece of music?
It goes up and down.
Oh yes, that's actually a good answer. So contour is like, this is your starting pitch, and then as the melody goes up, the pitch goes up, the contour goes up. As it goes down, it goes down. So it may goes up very smoothly, or jump up, or go down very sharply. So the contour can be very different. So right now I want you to think of a very simple melody and write down the contour on your piece of paper as best as you can.
Write a melody?
Like think of a simple melody, like a nursery rhyme. And like, so this is your meter, for example, I chose 4/4, like that. So this is the bar line, so maybe the contour is like this, or this, write down something like that. Don't think about too complicated, like melodies.
Like, are we writing down the songs that we know, or like creating
Are we writing our own melody?
No, you're think of a melody you know.
Oh,
Think of
so
a melody you know. Well, you go to my next step actually. Yeah. This step, just think of a known melody, like a nursery rhyme, like row, row, row your boat, or something. Like for about 3 measures or 4 measures, that's fine. So right now, could you talk with your neighbor, someone next to you, like share with the contour and see how different and how similar can a contour be?
This was my chosen time signature.
Yeah, I did the exact same thing and then I went to G4. And then I picked Susanna.
Yeah.
Wait, where's your picture?
I just wrote it down. Am I supposed to draw a picture?
Yeah.
I did.
Well, this is so funny.
I did it broad. It goes up and down. But yeah, I did the same thing. I didn't realize it was supposed to be.
Okay, can you share with me like something you have found about what's special or different or similar about your contours?
We did the same song.
Oh, what song is that?
Oh, Susanna.
Oh my gosh, I did it with Susanna too!
Oh.
It's just that kind of morning.
Okay.
We all did the same song. Rebecca, get on our page.
So, what is the contour of Susanna? What did you find like interesting?
It's pretty smooth.
Yeah.
Like, are there leaps or just stepwise?
It's pretty,
It's not a leap. I wouldn't say it's a leap, but it goes up.
it goes up and down.
Okay, great. And Rebecca, what song did you choose?
Chose Mary Had a Little Lamb.
Okay. And how did you find your contour? Is it similar than others or more complicated?
Simpler.
Oh yes. So right now you have the idea of what is the contour of a melody in your mind. So this step, I want you to use your favorite meter you just chose and how many bars you want to do for your composition, and now draw freely like that about what kind of contour you want to do for your own composition.
Wait, so this is, okay. So we're writing a melody right now?
Write just a graph of contour right now. You don't have to think of a melody for this step. Oda?
Yeah.
Okay. So right now we're struggling to find your starting pitch, so I can give you a suggestion, like you can find one like alphabet in your name to start, or you can just find your favorite starting pitch. But I recommend Do or So because that's easiest for you right now. But you feel free to start on any pitch. So write down, like at the beginning of your contour, write down your starting pitch. Hold on.
Oh, it has to be solfege.
Solfege, or if you feel more comfortable using other system, that's also fine. How many times? Okay. So right now is the most important step because you have the contour and you have your starting pitch, so you can know where your melody can go. So if your contour goes up, you can think of a solfege that's higher than your starting pitch, and if it goes down, you can think of a lower pitch. So for this step, I want you to compose our own melody based on the contour you just draw. Don't have to be like a lot of notes. Done. So now it's time for sharing. So can we start here? So could you first tell your classmate how many bars you chose and what meter you chose, and then sing the melody to the whole classmate?
I did 4/4, 4 bars.
Do you want the pitch?
I guess, yeah. I don't know if I.
What is your starting pitch?
C. Do, re, mi, re, do, re, mi, re, do.
Yeah.
Yeah, great. So Rebecca, do you want to show yours?
Okay. This is hard to do without hearing it first.
Oh, yes. Okay, like right now, could you just show yours?
Yeah. I wanted to do 6